$28,000. That's what disappears from a $100,000 salary before you ever see a penny of it in the United Kingdom. In the United States, on that exact same salary, it's closer to $21,000. Same job, same paycheck on paper, an $8,000 gap by the time it hits your bank account. Here's exactly where that money goes. Same person, same $100,000 salary, single filer, no dependents, once in the UK, once in the US. Let's start with where the bigger number comes from. In the UK, the first £12,570 of income is tax-free. That's the personal allowance. Above that, 20% applies up to about £37,700 of taxable income. Cross that line, and the rate jumps straight to 40% on everything above it. On a $100,000 salary, roughly £79,000, that higher rate band eats a serious chunk, pushing total income tax to around £19,000. Then national insurance, the UK's version of Social Security, adds another 8% on most of that income, about £3,600. Add it together, and that's your $28,000, give or take, gone before it ever reaches your account. Now the United States. On $100,000, the standard deduction brings taxable income down to about $84,000. Run that through the 2026 federal brackets, and the tax bill comes out to roughly $13,170, an effective rate of about 13%, even though the top bracket touched is 22%. That gap between the rate you hear about and the rate you actually pay trips up almost everyone. Add FICA, Social Security, and Medicare, a flat 7.65%, about $7,650. Assuming a state with no income tax, like Texas or Florida, total deductions land around $21,000. Put them side by side. About $21,000 disappears in the US, $28,000 in the UK. On paper, the American take-home is about $8,000 higher. But that $28,000 in the UK isn't just disappearing, it's buying something. The National Health Service, free at the point of use, no monthly premium, no surprise bill after a hospital visit. In the US, health insurance is a separate cost that still has to come out of that higher take-home pay. And for a lot of people, it's not small. So, the real question isn't just how much tax you pay, it's what you're getting back for it. This video is for education, not financial advice talk to a professional about your own situation. Which two countries should we compare next? Drop it in the comments.
Subscribe for more tax truths. Hit the bell. Join the hunt.